Alright, so doing a quick video. I'm trying to keep it short and simple. Okay, so somebody asked me how to remove the spring from the thermostat. Okay, so just want to show everybody just an example of the manifold will be sitting right above here. Okay, your knock sensor would be either here or here, whatever. This is the coolant line that comes up, connects to this nasty little thing. Then you have your air assist valve, whatever that is. Okay, so long story short, okay, so you have 3 bolts right down over here. Okay, so you picture an intake manifold, knock sensor right over here. You remove your T bracket, and when you look down, you probably see it from like this point of view. Okay, so you have 3 bolts. You pull the thing out. Now for this, let me put the headset on, so put this head strap on, which is stupid. Okay, so you can see easily how I'm gonna remove this thing. Okay, get something like this, and you can probably like grab it, one of these things. You can break this if you want, or you want to be nice, you can just see which way it comes out. Let's see. There goes one. This is me being nice. Come here, sucker. Okay. Now you have no thermostat. Okay. See, spring activated. After 180 degrees or whatever, it opens up the thermostat so the coolant can run through. Taking out my thermostat, I only recommend it for race cars and stuff. So you take this piece and just put it back in, just like that. Okay. You put your whatchamacallit, connect your hose at the bottom. Obviously, this is connected to the hose at the top. Leave your thermostat out. I'll recommend that only for, like, you know, if you only drive your car in the summer and stuff like that, not the winter, because it's going to take too long for your car to heat up and you probably won't even have no heat. Besides that, I took mine out because I was data logging, and I was holding the temperature at like 208, which was actually in the red on my K Pro and stuff like that. So I have the Blackworks before, which one 2-row radiator, but now I just switched up to the Mishimoto because obviously everybody always talks about it and stuff like that. So went with this one instead. Let's see if my camera can see all this. Take this headset off. Okay. Mishimoto, nice. 2 top fan brackets right here. Let's see something. Okay. The top port for the whatchamacallit, antifreeze. The bottom one, this is the drain. This is the sensor that's on the on the RSX. This is the bottom plug. These are the 2 brackets that hold the fan at the bottom, and then you screw in obviously from the top. But I'm gonna show you guys how pretty this thing was. Really is nice. This thing, it's like shiny aluminum. Alright. So also I just found this at the bottom of the thing. This little pamphlet. Into this little bag, and look, little air freshener, little penguin, Mishimoto penguin. So I was just rewatching the video and stuff like that just to make sure that I said everything correctly. The only thing that I didn't say correct is I kept on saying this is how you remove your spring from the thermostat. This is how you remove your thermostat. Okay, your thermostat is the spring. Okay, all right. Short and simple. Hope you liked it, man. Okay.